If Trump pulls the trigger on Iran, India pays the price, big time. A US-Iran war may look like a Middle East problem. It is not. For India, it is an economic, strategic, and geopolitical nightmare in the making. Let's start with the choke point that scares the world. The Strait of Hormuz. Just 33 kilometers wide, only about 10 kilometers of usable shipping lane, and nearly one-fifth of all oil consumed on Earth moves through it every single day. Iran controls the northern shore. Mountains, radar, missiles, drones, fast attack boats, sea mines. If Tehran decides to squeeze this artery, global energy markets don't wobble. They collapse. Now here is why India gets hit harder than most. India imports over 85% of its crude oil. More than a third of that flows through Hormuz. Over 40% of India's LNG comes from Qatar, also through Hormuz. Even a temporary disruption sends crude racing past $100 per barrel. Every $10 rise worsens India's trade deficit, weakens the rupee, and pushes inflation higher. That means petrol and diesel jump, food prices jump, transport costs jump, airfares jump, household budgets get crushed. This isn't theory. India's economy is extremely sensitive to oil shocks. Inflation spikes force the RBI to tighten policy. Growth slows, government subsidies rise, political pressure explodes. Now compare India with others. The US, energy exporter Russia, energy superpower Saudi Arabia, can divert some oil via pipelines. China, massive strategic reserves and state control. But India has an extra problem. Chabahar Port, India's strategic gateway to Afghanistan and Central Asia, built to bypass Pakistan, built with Iran. A US strike means tighter sanctions. Operations stall, investments freeze. India's Western connectivity dream dies. Meanwhile, China smiles. China already has deep ties with Tehran. China expands influence. China fills the vacuum. India loses leverage. So when Trump talks tough about bombing Iran, remember this: America fights, Iran retaliates, oil markets burn, India bleeds. Higher energy bills, higher inflation, weaker currency, lost trade routes, shrinking strategic space. A US-Iran war would not be fought on Indian soil, but India could still end up as one of its biggest losers. With Rishika Aradhya, Bureau Report, India Today Global.